notation. So how do we use this? Well, here's the story problem. All right, you're going to have one like this on your homework. Students participating in a psychology experiment attended several lectures on a subject and were given an exam. That's supposed to be every month. There's the M missing in the th. Okay, Coach Stoney problem. For a year after the exam, the students were retested to see how much of the material they remembered. The average scores for the group are given by the human memory model. And here's the formula for the human memory model. 75 minus 6 times the log of t, and t is, I believe in this case, in months. T is months for like the first year. So all I got to do now is just plug it. Right? Can't forget their little doggy here, right? So go plug in 0. What's 0 plus 1? 1. What's the log of 1 going to be? 0, because the only way you get that. What's 6 times 0? 0. So the answer is 75. How would I do it for 2 months? Well, just plug it in, plug it in. What's 2 plus 1? 3. Find the natural log of 3 times 6, subtract from 75, is about 68.4. So here you remember 7, here you're going to remember 68.4. And how would I do the last one? Plug it in, plug it in. 6 plus 1 is 7. The natural log of 7 is 1.94 times 6 minus it. Notice we lose a little bit more every month, but not a whole lot. That's part of the memory model. And so here we go. What have we learned? How to evaluate logarithmic functions by using the calculator? Use the log button. Or if they're by, use a log button with the calculator, or you have to use the definition. Use the force loop, right? Use the definition. We talked about properties. We compared logarithmic functions or graphs, how they were transformed. And then we also did the same thing with E. And the only difference with the E problems is it's natural log instead of logarithm. Calculator has those 2 buttons on it. And we talked about the domains. Remember, the domain normally is from 0 to infinity because you can't have a negative x. So, and then we learned how to apply it with the human memory model. So therefore, your assignment will be page 195, 1 to 40, 45 to 48, 53 to 60, and problem number 69. Got to have a story problem in there about the human memory model. All right? That's what the story problem is. And we'll work on these in class. So, hope you have a great weekend and are enjoying it or had a great one. But please don't forget to study. All right?